Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got 3 quick and fun diabetes quizzes to test your health knowledge. Keep track of your answers and let's see how well you do. Ready? Let's go. Question 1. Which of these is a risk factor for type 2 diabetes? A. Lack of physical activity. B. Drinking lots of water. C. Taking vitamins. Correct answer is A. Question 2. Which hormone controls blood sugar in the body? A. Insulin. B. Adrenaline. C. Melatonin. Correct answer is A. Question 3. Which of these does not cause diabetes? A. Genetics. B. Viral infections. C. Listening to loud music. Correct answer is C. All right, that's it for today's diabetes quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun health tips and quizzes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.